Hey guys, Fix It John here. I don't know where to look. I want to show you what's going on in my life today. I'm working on the truck. I had to stop that for a while because I had another project come up, and let me show you what our AC unit went out. And more importantly, it was the ECM module right there. I replaced this once before, like 10 years ago. This unit's almost 26 years old. Or no, this unit's almost 21 years old. It was built in 2005, 12th month of 2005, and we're in 2026 now. And I've replaced this whole module and motor 10 years ago. It was $900. Now just for the module without the motor, which we didn't need a motor, the module is like anywhere from $750 to $990. So just depending on where you get it, plus shipping. There's our air handler. That's what went out. All right, guys, I want to show you what I'm working on today. Our Lennox heat pump. It's a 5-ton, but it's an 05 manufactured, 12th month of 05. The 05 signifies the year, and the L signifies the month it was manufactured. So we're looking at a 05, 20, 21-year-old unit. This is almost 21-year-old unit. This is 2026. I put a strap on here because it was sort of going whoa, whoa, whoa. Once I put those hurricane straps down on it, right there, and it started to just, I don't know, start rocking back and forth once I put those hurricane straps on it, but that's why I got that on there. So we're gonna replace it. I priced out a ream for like $4,900, 45, something like that, and I won't do it myself, but that'll be on another video. But before I do that, I gotta finish this truck here. Okay, there's one of the two my wife bought to keep us cool until I get that AC unit fixed. It's 8,000 BTU. And this one right here, it's 8,000 BTU. Scoops wanting to go out. And just to keep us cool until we get that AC unit replaced. There's Grace. She's mean as cat snot. There's the boxes to the air conditioners. I put those on the table outside. Didn't want to look at those. That's what's going on with Fix It John. And I'll show you how to install an AC unit if you guys want to do it yourself. You gotta leave pros do some of it. If you get a permit, which you should get a permit. We're gonna get a permit, but something you can do yourself.